This is going to be a new septic system for a new home build on a very challenging site with steep slopes and very little space. It's located in Kelowna, British Columbia. We start off by adding a layer of bedding sand and ensure we compact the area very well before setting our tanks in place. We add some water to the sand to help the compaction even further. The easiest path to bring up the system tankage is near the Okanagan Lake shore and maneuvering up this steep bank. Due to the way the sewage line leads out of the home, we were forced to bring the drain line from the septic tank back towards the front and into our pump chamber. We then head across the highway and begin our drain field installation using Elgin modules to support a Type 2 effluent quality. We introduce the specified sand as required by design and build the mountain to support the modules. The pipework is then installed over the modules. The effluent traveling through our force main gets dispersed into the distribution box for equalized flow into our drain line. The Elgin fabric is then drawn over the pipe and the mats. This is to protect the modules and pipes from the sand intrusion when adding spec sand over top. We then build our secondary drain field area for the second home. We go through the process again of adding the specified sand, leveling, and adding our Elgin mats. We then add our specified sand over and between the modules. The sand is then contoured and leveled, ready for next layer of topsoil and grass seed. We then shift our focus towards trenching out the force main line. We go from the bottom of the slope at the highway, which is directly across the street from the home where we just installed the septic tanks, to the top of the slope where we constructed the two drain field areas. We install two force main lines, one for each home. We color code each line to ensure we have the correct line going to each designated field area. We then bring in the horizontal drill and equipment to start drilling under the highway. This is the only way to connect our force main lines into the pump chamber. Now that the two lines are across the highway, we can connect to the pump. We then start to backfill the tankage area using sand and a stone slinger. The tanks are now bedded with sand to the lids and ready for the homeowner's next phase. Thanks for watching.